A very good morning to my all class 11 students. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss, you all are very much aware of what business activities are. Business actually deal in production and selling of goods and services with the aim of earning profit regularly. So today we are going to classify the business activities as per the different functions and uses. In front of you is the flow chart of business being categorized into industry and commerce made by one of your fellow classmates. The two categories, that is industry and commerce, are separated because of their different functions. Industry refers to those activities which are concerned with the production or processing of raw material and goods using different mechanical appliances and technical skills. It is a group of firms actually involved in the production process, whereas commerce is different from industry. Commerce deals in those activities which are very much necessary for the buying and selling of these goods and services which were already produced in industry. What does commerce deals in? Commerce deals in those activities which are involved to buy and sell already produced goods and services. So the further classification for commerce is trade and auxiliaries to trade, which will be covered in the next video. Today we are going to discuss about industry, what industry is. In order to get business get going, we need to work. What work is required? The work is required to produce those goods and services which are involved for the satisfaction of consumer needs. An industry can be called as a group of firms which are producing similar or related products to each other. The examples are electronic goods industry, which include all the goods related to television, refrigerator, washing machines, etc. We can now define n number of industries that we know. This industry is further divided into three parts: primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. All these are leveled in a hierarchical manner. The first is primary industry. Primary industry become the basic for all production. This is the basis of whole industrial sector. After this comes the secondary sector, which finally finalize or finish the goods, give a finishing effect and produce such goods which are of requirement. Then comes the tertiary sector, which helps in providing those services to the desired consumer, to the appropriate consumer. In primary industry, we have further two classifications named as genetic industry and extractive industry. Let's look at the primary industry. Primary industry actually include all those activities which are concerned with either extraction, mining, production and procurement of, processing of natural resources. They are also related to the reproduction and development of living organisms and plants, etc. The examples of primary sector are mining, agriculture, minerals, forestry, fishing. Now I am going to show you few clips related to primary industry. Before we come to the explanation of what extractive and genetic actually mean, we are going to see the clips and find it out ourselves. This is beekeeping. This is silkworm rearing, by which we get silk. This is plantation of pineapple, plantation of tea garden, it's tea garden. Then we have mining and quarrying in the mines. Then agriculture, growing different crops for commercial purpose with the use of latest techniques and capital intensive method. Now what is beekeeping? Beekeeping helps in increasing the production of number of bees and also getting honey from it. And we have different examples related to it, like silk, increasing the production of silkworms and then getting silk out of it. And then doing plantation, increasing the number of plants and then selling them. All these activities are actually a part of genetic industry. Why? Because genetic industry helps in breeding of plants and animals and their use in future reproduction. What we are doing, we are helping, getting the help of these plants and animals and are using this for the future reproduction. All pineapples are being reproduced identically with the help of breeding technique. यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, किसी भी एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की मदद से नए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स की ब्रीडिंग कर रहे हैं सो दैट दे आर फर्दर रिप्रोड्यूस्ड. एग्जाम्पल्स वर बी कीपिंग, सिल्क रियरिंग, पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग, नर्सरी, प्लांटेशन. जेनेटिक वर्ड एक्चुअली मीन्स हेरिडिटी और पेरेंटेज. इन सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स में रिप्रोडक्शन करवाने के लिए आप सेम जीन्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं सो दैट दे आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इन देमसेल्व्स एंड ब्रीड. So this is all about genetic industry. Now we move towards the extractive industry. These industries are actually drawing out or producing various products from earth, soil and water. Examples are mining, farming, agriculture, fishing, hunting, quarrying, etc. What we are actually doing is we are getting the products from natural resources. Natural resources like fish from rivers, timber from forest, minerals from earth, oil extraction, hunting, farming, agriculture. What we are doing? We are just getting the products from natural resources. We are not cross breeding any genes. हम सारा कुछ अर्थ में से निकाल रहे हैं. द फोटो विच इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इज ऑफ माइनिंग. दे आर एक्चुअली डूइंग समथिंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ द अर्थ्स नेचुरल क्रस्ट. दिस पिक्चर इज ऑफ कोल माइनिंग एंड नाउ दिस पिक्चर इज ऑफ क्वारिंग. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन माइनिंग एंड क्वारिंग? माइनिंग में जब आपने देखा वहां पर एक्चुअली अर्थ को खोद कर एक्सट्रैक्ट करके किसी एक नेचुरल रिसोर्स को निकाला गया था. वेयर एज इन अ क्वेरी का हिंदी नाम होता है क्वारी का खुला खान. उस खान में से जो पत्थर निकलते हैं उनको वापस से तराशा जाता है और फिर उसमें से डिफरेंट स्टोन्स या मेटल्स निकाले जाते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम जो हमने किया हम उसको माइनिंग बोलते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट of the used area, of the already done area, what we do is we do quarrying. So this is the difference between mining and quarrying. माइन जब हम कर रहे थे तो हमने अर्थ को खोदना शुरू किया था और अंदर से कोई नेचुरल रिसोर्स निकाला था और जब वो चीज पूरी तरह से काम हो चुका था उसको तब वहां पे जो भी बाय प्रोडक्ट्स निकले थे उनमें किसी नए मेटल की या स्टोन की तलाश करना, उनको तराशना, साफ करना, वो सब क्वारिंग का काम आता है. ठीक है. सुनने में ये वर्ड्स बहुत सिंपल लगेंगे और इन्हें हम इंटरचेंजेबली भी यूज करते रहते हैं बट दीज आर डिफरेंट टर्म्स. व्हेन वी स्पीक अबाउट माइनिंग इट इज द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्टिंग द मिनरल्स फ्रॉम पिट्स और एक्सकवेशंस. हमने पिट्स यानी गड्ढे खोदे या एक्सकवेट करा जमीन को या बहुत बड़े पहाड़ को, उसे हम माइनिंग बोलेंगे. वेयर एज क्वारिंग इज द सरफेस माइनिंग ऑफ लाइमस्टोन, सैंडस्टोन एंड अदर मटेरियल्स. वो सारी चीजें जो हमें मिली और हमने उसको वापस से पढ़ना शुरू किया, रिसर्च करनी शुरू करी, सरफेस माइन करनी शुरू करी उस ऑलरेडी मिली हुई चीज की. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट माइनिंग एंड क्वारिंग. मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्री इज एग्रीकल्चर. यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग हाउ दिस एग्रीकल्चर इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्लांटेशन. In agriculture, we are actually extracting out the earth's surface to get benefits of different types of crops. यहाँ हमने बहुत सारी capital intensive techniques use करी हैं so that we can grow something for commercial purpose. जबकि प्लांटेशन के अंदर हमने सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ क्रॉप को ग्रो किया था और उसको क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग या जेनेटिक तरीके से सिमिलर प्रोडक्शन पाने की कोशिश करी थी, लाइक इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ पाइनएप्पल्स और मेकिंग अ टी गार्डन. This is your plantation. Plantation of pineapple, plantation of tea. And this is farming, not like genetic industry. It is extractive industry related to earth, related to afforestation and growing crops for commercial purpose. After watching the video, you are going to text me on my personal number that the picture showed by me for primary sector was of which part of animal husbandry. Did I show you a picture for cattle breeding or fishing or beekeeping और पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग? कौन से एनिमल हस्बेंड्री की पिक्चर मैंने प्राइमरी सेक्टर को पढ़ाते हुए आपके साथ शेयर करी है, उसका जवाब आप मुझे मेरे पर्सनल चैट बॉक्स में देंगे. कैटल ब्रीडिंग, बी कीपिंग, फिशिंग और पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग. We are going to discuss the secondary sector in our second video for this chart, flow chart. Till then, take care, study well.